वास्कोकारांक कोळशाचें प्रदूषण सदांच सतयता आनी हाचे आड प्रचारांत भर म्हणून JCI वास्कोन मुर्मुगांवच्या सगळ्या शाळां खातीर रेनबो 2017चें आयोजन केल्लें. सुमार 20 स्कुलां वांटेकार जाल्लीं. कार्यावळ वास्कोचे रवींद्र भवनांत जाली. वास्कोच्यान RDX गोवा खातीर जॉन डिसिल्वा.
I have told your father several times to stop work in the coal factory. Coal dust is affecting his lungs very bad, but he didn't listen to me because he wanted to give you decent and comfortable life.
JCI Vasco has been organizing this competition called Rainbow, a 7-event competition for the schools of Vasco. And the reason here is the children get a lot of opportunities to participate in the inter-school event. Around 20 schools have participated in this competition. Various events like patriotic singing, newspaper outfit, dance competition, quiz competition, multimedia presentation, and EPI, effective public speaking. This year we have around 800 students who have participated in this competition. Since we have been conducting it for the last 32 years, the various skits, various topics were taken in this particular rainbow.
आस्तमा दिसता किते दोतोर आता हे दुयेंस कशें जालें ताका ह्या कोळशांनी दुयेंसा भरल्या रोग लावून दवरला दोतोर कितें करात पण म्हाजे चलयेक बरें करात आता कितें जालें हांवें पयलींच सांगिल्लें पूण म्हाजे चलयेक कितें जालें जाल्यार हांव ओगी रावपा ना म्हाका नाका तुमचो बंगलो आनी गाडी पळय सतीश मनीस पयसो केन्नाय सोडूंक शकता पूण जिवीत बरें ना जाल्यार कोणाक जाय पयसो
खरें दोतोर तुमचें. पैशा परस म्हाका फॅमिली इम्पॉर्टंट आसा.